How can I check if character in a string is a letter? Python. I know about Ilawa and Isapa, but can you check whether or not that character is a letter? For example, is there any way to just ask if it is a character besides doing .ilawa or .isapa?
You can use str.isalpha. For example, output
return true if all characters in the string are alphabetic and there's at least one character, false otherwise. Alphabetic characters are those characters defined in the Unicode character database as letter, i.e., those with general category property being one of LM, LT, LU, LL, or LO. Note that this is different from the alphabetic property defined in the Unicode standard. In Python 2.x, in Python 3.x. This code work.
Data equals aptef chi J12345. Output. By using str.isalpha you can check if it is a letter.
I found a good way to do this with using a function and basic code. This is a code that accepts a string and counts the number of capital letters, lowercase letters and also other. Other is classed as a space, punctuation mark or even Japanese and Chinese characters.